What is your insight on some of the biggest misconceptions with estate planning and what you see the common mistakes are?
People automatically think, well, we're married, so the other spouse is going to get the house when the other person dies. Well, in Texas, it may be true, maybe not. So you really have to know the law, and planning and getting to somebody that can help you can solve a lot of problems and help those that are left after you pass away.
Yeah, and we see all the time someone pass and then they call myself or they call Carlos. They may call the title company. They may not even think about calling you. I get the question all the time. Hey, my dad passed, my brother passed, or my mother passed. What do I do now? They don't know that the property doesn't automatically go to them. Depends on the heirs. Can you explain that just in a brief scenario or an example?
Sure. So the questions become of, first of all, was there a will? And or were there other documents put in place? Specifically, for instance, if there's real property, and including in real property, not just residential lots, and it also includes an oil and gas interest. And so if somebody passes, can also do what's called a transfer on death deed or a Lady Bird life estate deed. And that allows a named beneficiary to get the property upon somebody's death. So, however, if there's not one of those in place, then the next question is there a will? And somebody will come to me and say, hey, I'm the executor of the estate of my dad or my mom or my brother or sister. Are you? You are only possibly a named executor and a will. A will has to be probated before it actually has any effect whatsoever. And then the court grants what's called letters testamentary, and it allows the executor to act on behalf of the estate. Until those are given by the court, the executor has no power to act. Within that will, it will name, hopefully, who gets what, when or how, and how it's divided, or if it has to be sold. But again, it has no effect until probate action has taken place.
So regardless, with the will in place, you still have to go through the court and it still has to
Yes,
go through probate.
right.